Hello my friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. I sound like Leroy because I still got this cold going on, but welcome to today's Zodiac collab. An amazing group of channels has gotten together. There are 8 of us all together, and we decided to do a look based on our Zodiac sign. Well, I say we decided. I kind of bullied my way into this collab because I thought that it would be fun to do something creative and different. So I will have all of the channels linked down below so that you can go check out their videos. There are several different Zodiacs in this collab, and then we have several that are exactly the same. So it will be very interesting to see how we translate a look based on our Zodiac sign. So let me tell you the channels that are participating. We have Jamie Gerarzy, Unique Beauties, Real Lady Electrician, Tammy Beauty Tutorials, Crazy Beautiful Makeup, Bobby Loves Beauty, Amanda Duh, and yours truly. So, I really didn't know what colors were for my Zodiac sign. I am a Scorpio. I was born on the 5th of November at 10:12 a.m. and I was actually born on a new moon. So, just a little bit of fun fact. Most of the time, people get very antsy and crazy on a full moon. I get crazy and antsy on a new moon. The full moon mellows me out. Love a full moon. New moon will drive me nuts. So when I was digging in a little bit to what the colors were for the Scorpio Zodiac sign, the main color that I came up with was black. I had no idea that black was a Scorpio color, and then I was digging in my closet and I was like, wow, I have a lot of black clothes. So the other colors were all very dark colors, maroons and deep burgundies, and I think somewhere I saw something about a white, and apparently I'm supposed to stay far away from pink, which I used to never like pink, but as I have gotten older I've actually started to like pink. So when I was thinking about what palettes I had that would represent Scorpio look, I thought of 2 palettes. One is this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette Remastered. This is a beautiful palette. It has some nice dark colors in it. And the other palette is a palette that's new to me. I have never used it, and it is the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And this as well has some dark colors in it. Red. I don't know if I mentioned red, but red was one of the colors. So this has some really dark colors in it too. So we're going to get creative and see what we can come up with for a look that represents not just Scorpio, but represents Leanna. I've already put on my foundation, my bronzer, blush. I have primed my eyes with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. So starting off with the Huda palette, I'm going to go here into Suede and use that as my transition color. And I'm going to use my normal Luxe 231, which is one of my favorite brushes. Scorpio is the element of water. My day is Tuesday. I did not know that. It says that our strengths are resourceful, powerful, brave, passionate, and a true friend. And it says that our weaknesses are distrusting, jealous, manipulative, and violent. Which, I can't see any of that in myself. Distrustful? Yeah, okay. I can say that I'm distrustful to a point. And I suppose that, you know, you give me a reason, I can probably be a little violent. I would imagine that all of us could. Mess with my kids and my granddaughter. Yeah, That probably would bring out the violence in me and cause me to pull out that stinger. It says Scorpio likes truth, facts, being right, talent, teasing, and passion. And it says Scorpio dislikes dishonesty, revealing secrets, superficiality, superficiality, and small talk. I definitely do not like small talk. I like deep, meaningful conversations. I don't want to do the small talk thing. The only small talk that I'm okay with is, hi, how you doing? And then, you know, we can go on our separate ways. Because I just, yeah. And I don't want to do how's the weather. You know, if I ask you how you're doing, I really want to know how you're doing. I really like real people who are not afraid to have a conversation. And I mean, who likes to reveal their secrets? I don't know anybody that wants to reveal any of their secrets. So next I'm going to go here into Man Eater. That's the perfect color for this, isn't it? Well, no, I'm not. I'm going to go into Black Truffle first and put that on my lower lid. How many of you are into horoscopes and reading your daily horoscope or that type of thing? Any of you? Every once in a while, I will go read my horoscope. I don't do it very often, but if it kind of falls into my lap, I will go read it. I find it very interesting. Let me know down in the comments what your zodiac sign is, and if you have ever read the meaning behind your personality traits for your sign. Let me know, is it accurate? Okay, now I'm going to go here into Man Eater using that same brush. It also says that Scorpios are very emotional, and I would definitely agree with that. I am a very emotional person. I do not like to show my emotions because my emotions can be very, very intense, and I feel like that some people can't handle that intensity, and so therefore I don't like to show my emotions. It says one of the most well-known traits of a Scorpio is persistence. I'm not sure about that either. I'm going to take just a titch of black and run it under my lower lash. This is a Refer number 3. I'm also going to take a little bit of that Man Eater and put that right in the corner and connect it. Now I'm going to take this BK Beauty 202 and just blend this out. And I'm thinking to go into this color here. What color is that? Pangene? I'm not sure. And I think I'm going to pack that in the center of my lid. I just want to use that as a base color. Look at the fallout. which is my fault, not the fault of the shadows. The website also says that Scorpios are mysterious because they are profound thinkers, secretive, passionate, and constantly a step away from the public. Scorpios' quiet matches with the lethal scorpion, which symbolizes their sign. Like scorpions, they have an atmosphere of danger surrounding them due to their intensity and compulsive desire for seclusion. I would agree that there are many, many times when I really want my seclusion. I like my alone time. I have to use that alone time to recharge. I think I'm going to go into this pink diamond here and put that in my inner corner. It is really soft. This is a beautiful palette, and I have not used it enough. And this is a wearable look. I feel I would wear this. Mascara, eyeliner, maybe some lashes. I know it's very dark in the corners, but if I were going out or something, or feeling a little cray-cray, I'd wear it to work. But this is not what I'm going to do for my Scorpio look. We're going to get a little creative now. This could be a long process. I don't know whether to leave this in or take it out or what, but we're going to start out with adding a little whites, and somewhere somebody said something about being a little white. Actually, this is just shimmer, but it really doesn't show up as white, does it? It's just glowy. This is in the Natasha Denona palette. I need to learn how to talk while I'm being creative. Because I get to being creative, and to me this is like painting a piece of art. And I get into this meditative headspace and I just kind of zone out. This is a NYX Epic Ink eyeliner pen, by the way, felt tip. There's my little scorpion. Not too shabby. So a funny thing happened in one of my boxes. I don't remember which one it was. Might have been the ice cream box. I got this red brow pencil. It says waterproof eyeliner and eyebrow pencil, and I thought, what on earth am I ever going to use that for? And here we are. Because, you know, Scorpios can, or scorpions, they can be a little irritating, so we're just going to irritate the brow just a little bit there, where his tail is. So now we need some lashes. I'll be right back. Would you believe that I have a lip liner from Juvia's place in the color Scorpio, or is it Scorpion? Scorpio. How about that? And again, when I got this, I was like, what am I going to do with that? This actually came in a mystery box. It's a very pretty color. I guess it's fitting now that I know that color for Scorpio is dark. And now, since Scorpios are so dark, and again, Juvia's place in a mystery box sent me black lipstick, and I was like, what am I going to do with this? It's called Dudu, D-U-D-U, and it's a matte. And we're going to do a little, hopefully a little ombre. And oddly enough, I have a Scorpio glitter that Miss Holly gifted to me. So let's see how this plays. Well, I like it. I'm thinking we need a little bit of purple highlighter. And so there we are. There's my interpretation of an eye look to go along with my zodiac sign. Who knew that at 57 I would go goth? Is this goth? Is this considered goth? I don't know, but I'm kind of digging it. I am loving that purple highlighter, I am here to tell you. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this zodiac eye look to represent Scorpio. Make sure that you go down in the description box and click on the playlist so that you can go watch all of the other ladies create their zodiac looks. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher. Now you can do a zodiac look for your sign, which is Libra. Do you know what that represents? Represents scales. So you could do scale down your nose and have a scale dripping down off of each eye. You know, with a fish in each one because you're weighing them to see how big the bass was that you caught. Okay? You need help with that, you let Mama know. Mama loves you, boo.